Hi guys, so it's May 21st and I had just driven to Frisco. I have an orthodontist appointment today. I had to bring Carter and Denver with me. Levi is still sleeping. I was going to pick him up and drop him off with my mother-in-law since she's watching his cousin Drew at his house in Frisco as well. But he's still sleeping, so I left him home with Dawn, and I am here at RX Mall, Greenberg, DDS Orthodontics exclusively. So this is referred to me online by like 3 people. So we're gonna see how it is. I need to get this teeth fixed. So here I am. And I have to bring 2 kids with me. Wish me luck. Oh, this one's not having it.
My numbers and then I eat a snack.
You eat a snack? Close your mouth, nasty.
Uh-huh. Orange. Yellow. Whoa. It's yellow, orange, and purple, green. Number.
Say that again, Carter. What'd you say earlier?
No. It's gross.
That's not gross. He's just sneezing. Say God bless you.
I miss you then. Number. Bible.
What'd you say? What did you say earlier, Carter?
I thought my Denver was Dixie baby.
Denver's a baby.
Yes.
And you?
No.
Huh?
No.
Carter kan thương em không?
Yeah. He's a baby.
You love him?
Yes. He's a baby. He's a baby. He's own.
How many brothers do you have?
2. My Denver comes by home because he's a marriage.
No jumping.
Babe, I know jumping on the couch. That's not jumping.
Still jumping. No more.
Babe, I know more.
No more. More. Uh-oh. Denver.
Hi, baby. Hey, baby. How? Go, Denver, go.
Go, Denver. Go. Go.
Good job, Denver. Baby Denver. They do. Good job, baby Denver. You smile. You lay down.
Careful with your knee and stuff. Got your arm, okay? Denver. You gotta be better at tummy time, bubbies.
Yeah.
You're so lazy.
Yeah, you lay me down. Levi, stop.
Levi, be careful.
I
Don't cough on baby, okay?
Levi, don't cough the baby.
You're coughing on baby. Lại nhảy nữa. Levi.
Denver, mommy. Mommy, look at Denver.
Wow, good job, Denver. Look, go, 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 go. Up, bubbies. Up, bubbies. Yay.
Good job, Denver.
Hey guys, so it's Tuesday. I came back from the orthodontist earlier, had lunch with the kids, took a nap with Denver, pumped and everything situated. Levi got into some crazy fight with the faucet, so he was all wet and got me all wet. Denver spit up on me, changed my shirt. And now I am just checking some email, and I got some newborn photos that came in since last night, and really late. So I get to look at them now, and I wanted to show you. Look at these newborn photos, guys. So cute. I love this one. Levi, you can tell he was like crying. Got me in Denver. Don's holding Denver, and this is when he blew out on Don. Like, this is when he like pooped and peed all over. And then Don got a shot with all 3 boys. And the family, it's like a fun shot and then a serious one. And oh, this is one of my favorites right here. 3 of the boys. And then Denver, oh, he's like so small. He fits inside of a little basket. And that one, little teddy bear, holding a little teddy bear. Yeah, well, that's just a mark on the laptop. But yep, got my photos, so I'm gonna download them, and I'm most likely gonna have to print some of these out. So y'all let me know what you guys like. Look at his face. He's like in prayer mode. So I'm on the computer, and this is Don's computer, okay? Mine is like completely broken. And I really need a new laptop. But Don's like, oh, just take mine. No, I want my own. Carter wants to vlog too.
And then this is my favorite brother.
Your favorite brother?
And then my name is Levi. And my favorite is Denver in the room.
Your favorite is Denver, and he's in the room?
Yes. And then I got the big guys.
Okay, Carter. Okay. Can you help go clean up? Your mom ready to go? Okay. So I am doing the 70th birthday video compilation for my father-in-law. And everybody's been sending me like videos left and right. Sometimes they're just all over the place. So I had to get it, edit it, and get it ready for next week. Well, yeah, next weekend. So I basically have like this whole entire week to finish, but then people are going to send me videos probably by the end of the week, whatever they have, and then I'm going to have to just a couple more days, maybe the beginning of the week next week, just keep brushing it up, finalizing it. Because I am like such a perfectionist, and I hate making mistakes when I make a video. It's just, ugh. But look at what the boys are doing right now. Look at these boys. They took all the diapers and just tossing it up and down. Look at them. Why are you guys doing this? Mommy, I gone down. Clean up. Maud. Hi. Clean up or time out. Like, Levi, need time out right now. Okay, so I'm just being lazy. Don took both boys upstairs to play. Supposed to go out, but it was so dark. And it was getting late really fast. So we decided to just let them go upstairs and play. And I'm talking low because Denver's right here, look. Look how big he got. He's only a month and a half, but he's so big now. Well, when he turns 2 months, that's when they get a checkup. That's when I'll know how much he weighs and how long he got. So I just wanted to update you guys, like, after my orthodontist appointment, or during my orthodontist appointment, sorry, they gave me a quote, and my teeth is like, they said it's like an easy fix. I mean, it's the reason why I wanted braces is because my teeth have been shifting because of the bone that got soft when you become pregnant. And back then I had braces when I was in 7th and 8th grade, but I threw away my retainers. So if anybody ever had retainers that you had to wear back in the day, you were eating, you took it out, you ate, you put it on the napkin, you probably threw it away. That's the same thing that happened to me. I mean, I'm telling you, like 80% of people told me that happened to them. So that's why I had this like slight shift, you know. And then that's what he said. He's like, it's the easiest. He's like, I wish all clients were as easy as this, but they still quoted me $57.50. You know, I have dental insurance, but only for like cleaning my teeth and like, you know, whatever, dental care like that, but not like braces or anything. I can't because that's more of like a cosmetic thing. This isn't like an underbite or anything like that. But I'm gonna start tending to him now. Put him down and start crying. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.